welcome to Shivaji Group of Institute online classes. This is your chemistry class and today we are going to start a new chapter of chemistry, that is language of chemistry. As we have already discussed in our audio lectures about various characteristics and chemical reaction. What are the characteristics of chemical reaction are? Characteristics of chemical reaction evolution of gas, very first characteristic is evolution of gas. In this characteristics, actually when two substances react, a gas is evolved in a chemical reaction. The second is change of state. Third one, change of color. Fourth, formation of precipitate. And the very last is energy changes. That is, in these type of reaction, either energy is absorbed or evolved. Now one by one we are going to discuss all these characteristics by taking example of chemical reactions. In this type of chemical reactions, actually two substances are taken and chemically they are reacted, and after the formation of product a gas is evolved. Let's take the example of sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, when chemically made to react with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Now we are going to balance the equation. 2 molecules of sodium, then 2 molecules of sodium chloride. It will be aqueous. It will be in the form of gas. And this is water. So, in this type of reaction, we came to know that when sodium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid, a gas is evolved. Now, in these type of chemical reaction, change of color takes place when red lead oxide, that is Pb3O4, made to react, it forms 6 molecules of lead oxide. This is red lead. This is lead oxide, which is actually yellow in color, and oxygen gas is evolved. Now here we come to know that red precipitate or red form of lead oxide changes into yellow color lead oxide and oxygen gas is evolved in it. In this type of chemical reaction, formation of precipitate takes place with AgNO3, that is silver nitrate, actually silver nitrate solution is colorless. Made to react with NaCl, it forms NaNO3 plus AgCl, and this is a kind of white precipitate. We show a precipitate with the downward arrow, and PPT actually means precipitate. This is NaNO3, that is sodium nitrate. This one is sodium chloride. When silver nitrate is made to react with sodium chloride, it gives sodium nitrate and AgCl, that is silver chloride. So formation of precipitate take place. Now here, when NaOH made to react with HCl, it forms NaCl plus H2. That is, when NaOH made to react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride, water, and the main thing is heat energy is evolved. These types of reaction is termed as exothermic reaction, in which heat is evaluated. That is exothermic reaction. This is water. This one is sodium chloride. That is common salt. This one is hydrochloric acid. This is sodium hydroxide. So once again, when sodium hydroxide is made to react with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride, water, and energy is evolved, that is exothermic reaction, heat energy is evaluated. Now, in this type of reactions, actually change of state take place. When two gases are made to react, they form solid, or when a solid or a liquid made to react, it forms gas. Now, when ammonia is a gas. Made to react with HCl, it is also taken in the form of gas, hydrochloric acid. It forms ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, and this is solid. In this type of reaction, actually change of state take place. One gas reacts with another gas and formation of solid takes place. So students, these are the characteristics of the chemical reaction and you have to practice rest of the reactions related to it. Now in the next turns we are going to learn about balancing of chemical reaction. Thank you and have a nice day.